Crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I'm coming to you with a 49 in Market mystery box bundle unboxing. This one is curated for scrapbook.com. I just got this. I wanted to go through it with you. I do have another video that I had gotten a box from a cherry on top, and I wanted to get this one from scrapbook.com to see if there's any difference with them, how they compare, things like that. I will link the other video, and I do have a deeper dive into that video where I actually go through and unbox, unpackage every item so that you can see what's inside of that. I will be doing the same for this one. I'll go through it. I'll kind of do speed run version, and then I'll do another video where I open each package so you can see what's included. I do believe that as of filming this, which is on May 7th, the scrapbook.com ones have sold out. I believe also at a cherry on top. I did just look really quick online, and a few of the smaller retailers online do have it in stock still. So if that's something you're interested in, hurry up and get it because they're going very, very quickly. Alright, I think that's all the housekeeping, and I will actually list in the description box all of the contents of this if I can find links for them. So if there's a piece that you are interested in, then you can purchase that separately. A lot of times there's a lot of surprises in here, and you're like, oh, I've never even seen that product before, so I'll go out and try to find links for you for that. Alright, without further ado, let's get this opened up. Ooh, okay. Well, the first difference is that there's a scrapbook.com book. And I actually think that that was the freebie included that week when I ordered. So they just stuck it in my box for me, so that was kind of cute. Alright, let me unpack this stuff so that we can take a look at it. I see lots of purple, which makes me very happy. Alright. First of all, right off the bat, you will notice what a good value this box is. So when these come up, I highly recommend you to run out and purchase them if you like 49 in Market products, because it is a over $200 value and they sell it for $59.99. And you could probably already make that up with just a few of these items and you've already paid for it. So awesome, awesome value. All right, let's see. So quite a few tapes. This one is the Ticket Essentials. It says tickets, perforated tickets and stamps. And there are 3 rolls in here. Let's see if I can. So that's what comes in this. You get little stamps, little tickets. And this is the Salsa color. And then same thing. This is the color Swatch Peach. And I had some of the peach in my other box, so that's convenient. Now I have matching items. This is the Christmas Spectacular Golden Washi Tape. And you get 3 rolls. Sounds like the kitties are arguing. Hey guys. So you have a star one, some text, and a stripe. And then this is the Art Options Rouge, and this is the Postage stamp washi tape. So if you've never seen this before, it is little postage like washi tape, like little stamps, and they're so pretty. So that can add a fun detail to your projects. Then we have, oh, these are gorgeous. these little tiny flowers. These are called Florets, and this is the punch color. Ooh, I've never had this before, or this color. This is the color Swatch Blossom, and this is the Filmstrips. So these are really cool. Oops, sorry over the glare. Let's see. Alright, these are the Art Options Avesta Tag Set. So these comes with strings already on them. This is gorgeous. These are the colors in this packaging. Let me turn off my overhead so maybe we won't have as much glare, hopefully. Alright, this is the Art Options Plum Grove, and this is the Chipboard word set. And there are 56 chipboards in here. So these are all the words and the little banners. I just love the colors in the Plum Grove. Oh my goodness! Look at these. What a gorgeous color. These are the Nature's Bounty collection, and this is the color of Cornflower. So pretty. Here are some paper clips. These are shaped paper clips. You have one that says Paradise, and then you've got some flip-flops. So that's cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see. Alright. Ooh, I love this one. Alright, this is from the Vintage Bits, and this is Eggplant, and they're rub-on transfers, and you get 2 sheets. You get like the splotchy with the text. This one's a little bit lighter, and then you have some butterflies in there. I love rub-ons, so that's exciting. This is the Moonlit Garden Wildflower Laser Cuts. This is a beautiful collection. It's got a lot of nature colors, florals, butterflies, birds, things like that. Really pretty. Oh, I have not seen this one yet. This is the Spectrum Gardenia, and this is the laser cut elements. Like a lot of frames, tickets, flowers, bows. And butterflies. And flowers. Alright, that's cool. Alright, let's see. This is Washi. From Vintage Artistry Anywhere, Washi tape. Whoa. So you get die cut shapes and then a full patterned sheet on washi tape. That's really cool. You could do a really fun card front put that in the background. Very nice. Ooh, I don't have these. These are the Vintage Artistry, and these are the rub-ons in white. It's kind of hard to see, but there's like stitching. So that would definitely add some cool textures to your projects. This is the Vintage Artistry Everywhere file set. So you can make, there's little file folders, and there's also little pockets. So this would be good for a journal, or if you wanted to, you know, in a card or in the card front, you could put flowers and things coming out of there. So that's what that looks like. So these are pockets. These are pockets, and then there's filed folders. Alright, this is the Art Options Rouge Cluster Kit. So you get 4 sheets of laser cut elements, chipboard elements, twine, metal clips, 12 buttons, and a piece of elastic. So you can make the colors shown, you can make the little clusters shown here, or do whatever you like with the kit. But lots of good stuff in there. That's a great color too. and it would match with these. So there. Okay, holy cow, this is big. Alright, this is the 12 by 12 Countryside Color Wash Rub-On Transfer Sheet. So you get one sheet, and it's just this splotchy effect, and you would use that as a rub-on your project. This would be really great for scrapbooking, or you can make a huge impact on the front of a card with that. Oh my god, look at this. I love this collection. The Art Options Viking. Look at these rub-ons. Oh, I love them. Oh, so pretty. We have another one. Let's see. This is the Art Options Spice, and this is the Sentiments. This is great, and I have the paper for this, so but I don't have the rub-on, so that works out. Get a lot of cool words. It's very full. Oh my goodness. Alright, we get more rub-ons. This one is the Vintage Artistry Moonlit Garden, and these are the Sentiments. You could use a lot of these for a wedding. So fun. Oh my goodness, what is this? The Art Options Rouge Ultimate Page Kit. So this helps you make scrapbook pages very easily. You just kind of put it together and then put your own photos in there. So this has 4 sheets of pattern paper, 4 sheets of 12 by 12 laser cut elements, 1 sheet of chipboard stickers, 4 metal clips, and 4 ribbon bows. And that matches with the other things that we got. So look at these stickers and the ribbons. Running out of room on my desk. Alright, let me see. Oop, got some loose papers. Alright, let me rearrange a bit. Okay, so what we have left is we have some paper. This is the Spectrum Gardenia, and this is, you get 8 sheets of paper in here, the 12 by 12 collection pack. This is very colorful. So that's exciting. A lot of really cool visual elements on these. Awesome. And then we have some loose sheets. Oh, this is so pretty. This is Kaleidoscope collection, and it's animated travelers. Oh, hummingbirds. This is the Wherever Solids paper 3. Nice green. This is the Kaleidoscope Solids paper 2. Ooh, we got a color. This is fun. This is the Wherever, and it's Jet Set. This is the, in the Spectrum Gardenia. I might even be in this one too. Oh, yep. This is the Painted Foundations, and this is the Array. Ooh, that's great. This is a great piece. Ooh, holy cow. Alright. This is from the Wherever collection. This is called Stay Here. I love this with the butterflies and the city. Oh, and the back's gorgeous too. Okay, that wraps it up. So lots of amazing good things in here. I have to say, I think in comparison, there were a lot more rub-ons in this collection than the other ones I've gotten in the past. And there were more flowers. And I think the palette too is a little bit more cohesive. A lot more things that match with each other, or more pieces of same collections. So I don't know if that was accidental or on purpose, but like I said, that particular box was curated for scrapbook.com, so that might be why it's a little bit more cohesive. So anyway, again, I'll list everything that I received in the box in the description box for the video, so that if there's anything you want to pick up, you can link through and do that. Like if you were like, oh, I really love this, or I really love this, I'll try to find the links for that if I can. A lot of times things are retired or retiring, so they're hard to find, but I will do my best for you. Yeah. So anyway, join me over on Facebook. I post I have videos, I have cards, and I post crafty sales if you're looking for shopping discounts and things like that, so it's a good resource to you. Come join me over my new blog. That's at egidesigns.com. I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you could hit that button, it really helps out me and my channel. Again, I'll link everything. I do have affiliate links, and I will do my best to find all this stuff for you. Alright, I think that's it. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.